It is the ultimate American.
The meat is pushed through heavy.
When only the best will do, choose Grill Master.
Now that's what I call a masterpiece.
It is the ultimate American classic. But the creation of the perfect hot dog is a highly refined science.
It begins with strictly inspected, premium cuts of lean beef and pork, kept at precise sub-zero temperatures.
The meat is pushed through heavy steel plates, breaking it down into a uniform, coarse grind.
But meat alone doesn't make a hot dog. It requires a precise, heavily guarded recipe of spices and flavorings.
Pure ice is added. This keeps the mixture freezing cold, while the high-speed blades generate intense heat through friction.
In seconds, the ingredients are completely emulsified, transforming into a perfectly smooth, fine puree known as hot dog batter.
A giant mechanical vacuum arm sucks the smooth pink batter out of the chopper, removing all trapped air bubbles.
To give the hot dog its shape, the smooth batter must be pumped into long, tubular casings.
Moving at blinding speeds, the linker machine pinches and twists the continuous tube into the exact, uniform lengths we all recognize.
hot dogs enter massive, multi-zone continuous ovens to be fully cooked and infused with rich, authentic hardwood smoke.
Cooked to absolute perfection, they emerge steaming hot, but must be instantly chilled to preserve their snap.
Most modern hot dogs are skinless. The cellulose casing was just a cooking mold, and now it must be removed.
High-speed optical sensors inspect every single frankfurter. Only the flawless links make it to the package. Millions of packages leave the facility every day, maintaining a flawless cold chain all the way to your local market.
When only the best will do, choose Grill Master.
Wow, that smells incredible. You really are the grill master.
Thank you. Try the skewers. They are almost done.
Crafted with precision for the perfect summer meal.
Now that's what I call a masterpiece. Get it while it's hot. There you go, buddy. The first one of the summer.
Thanks, Dad.